Welcome back to another video.
Convenient timing.
Ryan's holding a foot long.
Yeah, it's not the first time. I mean, pretty well trained on it. I did rugby.
Doing a bit of bike work. Bit of bike work. Winter maintenance.
Bit of faffing.
Bit of faff on the KTM, which I don't think we actually have any videos of,
no.
to be fair. Which will soon change.
Yes.
But basically for this one, I think we've got... Oh yeah, I got 68 hours on that piston. So it's due a piston at 50, but I've wrung it out. And we've got a new piston for it, going with a size B. Last time we did this, I had a size A piston and nickel sealed the barrel to factory. You give them basically the piston and the barrel and they nickel seal it up to that piston. And yeah, should be quite an easy job. We'll see how the head looks. Last time there's loads of chips on the valve seats, so hopefully it's not any worse. But yeah, a bit of attention for the KTM, and we'll give her an oil change once they're all finished. Fuel tank off.
How do you tell me you don't look after your KTM without telling me you don't look after your KTM? What's the state of it?
How to tell me that you use your KTM?
It's like underneath a homeless man's fingernails. Oh, horrible. My CRF, which is in bits, is much cleaner than this. So we decided the bike's too dirty. We're just going to clean it, make everything spotless, and then rip apart the engine. And
Ryan's a little pussy because dirt bikes don't get attention like this.
yeah, I know. Who cleans under their tank? Right, this has never been off, this rubber thing. Henry doesn't believe in using rubbers.
It hasn't.
Fucking hell. You see those videos of like people cleaning car interiors with like brushes and doing well nice jobs with it? This is going to be like nothing like that. This is going to be a proper like cold shit version. Favourite, the slosh clean.
We've foamed her up.
Oh, she's foaming.
Oh yeah. Oh
like
yeah. Don't.
You're gonna have to get your air filter out there.
Oh, not the air filter. Brand new. Brand new. That was good. That's good. Bit of shit in there.
Where?
And,
yeah, impossible.
Get there.
Oh, you can
the
get
brush,
there with a brush. Yeah.
The brush.
For me.
Oh yeah, crevice. Crevice.
Thumb it all in. Now here.
Keep going until she hits the limiter. Nice.
See, you've gone from being a naysayer to be like, you know what, it's actually quite nice now.
I'll give it to him.
Yeah.
It is going to make the potential for engine damage less.
Yeah. Clean a job. Clean everything at every stage.
This is typical Ryan though. He just says, "Oh, should we just like clean it and not do any work?"
It's nice to clean things. It's nice to be clean. It's nice to know what you're starting with.
Should we just like not
It
do any real work?
Well done.
Let's spend 3 hours cleaning it before we actually do anything. Oh look, we've run out of time.
Trust me, this will all come good when you come to actually do the job and it just pops apart. Nothing rusted together.
Sorry, I zoned out because you just chatting shit.
I was chatting shit there. I'll grant you that.
It's going to be good though. It's going to be good. I think it can't hurt, can it really? Gosh, getting a whole arm.
And it was dirty.
Yeah, it looks better. It looks better. Got less dust around the cam cover,
which was the main concern.
I love how flat this cam cover is. It does look bare racy.
Proper pancake bum.
Yeah, single cam style, baby.
Is it a single cam?
Yeah.
Is it?
Yeah.
Same as the Honda. I didn't know.
Honda's definitely got two.
It's the Unicam. It says on the side of the head.
Is it? I can't remember. I swear it was two. Yeah.
That's probably why you did my timing wrong.
Was that actually the cause?
Nah, you just put the feeler gauge in wrong.
The valves were done wrong, weren't they? The valve clearance was wrong.
Yeah.
That's
what
the valve
no,
clearance.
not the timing. Yeah.
Timing was bog on. Unfortunately, the valve
right,
duration.
time, wrong place kind of thing.
The valve duration was way too high.
God, that was a fucking day getting back from that quarry. That was a fucking day. That was one of the longest days I've had on a bike.
Alright, let's fill this one up. Bosh.
Could just do the hose to be fair, mate.
Yeah.
Bucket, just plug it. Look at that fingernail. God, I don't want to focus too close. Basically, Henry hit me in the hand on the fingernail, and I'm such a little trooper because I haven't complained once, which is really big of me. Cam cover's off, intake boots off, exhaust is dangling in the middle of nowhere. So now we apparently, last time I recall this locking pin for the crank to hold it in TDC. Henry's forgotten all about it, and we're just trying to find that non-existent thing to lock the engine in place and rip it all apart. Be raining soon. Rugby's on in a bit. Probably the end of this one. Oh, little update. We're just fucking about here, really. Oh no, he has got the cams, the follower sort of guides out. Now it's exposed the worn out camshaft and the incorrect shims and the worn out cam chain.
All that good stuff.
Which do not get replaced. And yeah, how are we getting the, what's next? How'd you get the cam chain off? Because that's got to come off to get the head off.
Oh, we've already undone these bridges now, so that should allow us to slide the gear out. The camshaft out, I think.
Why would you think that?
It goes into that little bore on the outside.
In your life to make you think?
So it goes into here, so it needs to come outwards now to be able to do that. But I think
you think they're mad things, man.
Oh yeah.
I mean that little thing in there, that little thingy on the thing.
Yeah, it's a pain in the ass there. That's the hot start.
That ain't moving then.
Oh, it's this thing. That, I'm certain now. Yeah, that's got to come off.
Yeah?
Yeah, it's all based on instinct, but yeah, that has got to.
Just saying how useful it is I'm here is the strength, because Henry, watch him try and undo a bolt, watch how funny this is, he gets well shaky on that.
You support the bike,
watch him get shaky. Ah!
Got a finger!
He's such a little virgin. If you film me doing one, I'll actually knock this one out. Have a look at this. That's right, it's okay, I'll do it. Don't panic.
Did your mum thought, oh, I'll give birth to someone who's really hard work, I will?
Rise of the Bosch soldier. I bet this is the one you've locked tight because you like stripped it coming out. Ready? So what I like to do is press wide stance, arch the back, pigeon chest, cough, support the knuckle, and oh, smooth. Like that.
Oh, that music, mate. It's like a fucking 90s music video. Very good. Update.
When a bike isn't running right, it often leaves a layer of coke over the piston. Oh, Henry, how's your piston?
Oh, it's a little bit coked.
Is it? See, I like a bit of cocaine just like the next man, but that's too much. When it starts going that colour, ooh.
That means it needs to be changed. And guess what we're here doing? Yeah, we're changing it.
Running a bit rich, that.
A little bit rich. It probably needs the muffler repacking because...
You know, I think that's often a sign when you don't like ride it hard enough and you're probably like hovering around quarter throttle just shitting yourself because you bought the wrong bike. Like, if you ride... My piston was spotless because I'm off on the red line like a proper racing driver, man.
Oh, and
it's because you're better like...
Didn't your engine blow up?
Yeah, whatever.
Yeah.
Ridiculous.
That's what I thought. Cool.
That's all for this week, innit?
All for this weekend.
Right. See you in the next one.
See you on the next one for the rebuild.
It's going to take like